This is Marissa here with Rissa Rocks It and Designed by Geeks. This Valentine's Day envelope is a super cute way to give a gift card or money to your sweetie. There's designs on both sides and it's easy to assemble. I'll put the link for the SVG design in the video description. Start by cutting out all of your pieces on your cutting machine. There's the main envelope shape, a heart, some text, and there are 2 pieces for a little stamp. First, you're going to pre-fold your envelope along the score lines. You'll do the side flaps first, and then you can fold down the top and the bottom. After you have the top and the bottom folded down, you can slip the top into the little slot down on the bottom piece. Next, you want to glue on your heart. So you're going to glue onto your heart down towards the bottom, but you want to make sure that you're only gluing it to the top flap. You don't want to place any glue below this little slot because otherwise it won't be able to open. So what you'll do is you'll put glue on your heart, but just on the top half. And then when you're placing it, just make sure that only glue ends up on the top flap, that there's no glue ending up on this bottom flap here. And you're just going to press that in place until the glue holds. Next, we're going to add our details to our other side. First, we're going to start by assembling our stamp. There are 2 pieces for the stamp, the border and the center that has a little heart cut out. So we'll just glue that design onto the border. And that's what our assembled stamp looks like. We can then take our stamp and glue it onto the other side of the envelope. So here's the side with the slot, and there's the other side. So we'll glue that in the upper right-hand corner. Next, we can glue down our text. Now you can either use the text that we have included in our design, or if you wanted to substitute for your own text, you could do that as well using your own fonts and your cutting machine. Or if you preferred, you could handwrite the text onto the other side of the envelope. Whatever you want to do is fine, but I'm going to be showing you how to use the text that's included with the design. So I'm just going to put glue on the text and add it to the envelope. So here's the first part of our text and the second part. Once the glue is dry, you can go ahead and open up the flap. You can slide in your gift card or cash and then close the flap again. When you're closing the flap, you just want to make sure that it's only the flap that you're getting inside the slot. The heart stays on the outside like so. And there you go. You're all ready to go and gift this to your sweetie. Super simple and super cute. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.